Alright, turning the music off for this one. We got a pack opening. We open up this signature pack. This will be the first signature pack I ever open, so hopefully I can get something good. Yeah. That's a lot of cash. I'm just gonna go straight. I'm not gonna do back and forth, none of that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! No. NaVorro Bowman. Holy crap. I didn't even know you can pull him in there. That's awesome. Hey, Marcel Reese. I like that signature card. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wait, let me show you the stats. Yeah, Bob Bowman's always been alright. And Marcel Reese. That's because, what you call it? They got new signature cards, though. Yes! That's what's up. Alright. That was successful. Now, yeah. That was pretty good. That's all I have today. See you later, folks.